Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers uploading and indexing headshots for face recognition. Select a subcategory in the sidebar. The drop zone label updates to show where your headshots will go. Drag your headshot photos onto the drop zone. The border highlights when files are detected. Cards appear in the grid with a pending status. If the files have XMP metadata with player names, those names show automatically. You can edit names and jersey numbers before indexing. Click a card to update the details. The upload progress bar shows files transferring to cloud storage. Once uploaded, headshots begin processing. The status badges update as each headshot gets indexed. Indexing extracts the face embedding that MatchID uses for matching. When processing finishes, cards show a green index badge. These headshots are now ready to match against game photos. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.